My issue, I always dreamed of a piece of land with river and it water. Two miserable people can't live together.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Alright, so there are some people, Daddy, who are saying that their spouse don't want to come. What is your advice to those people, first of all? So you want to go and your wife don't want to go. What do you do in that situation?
You must come to some compromise.
You need to come to a compromise.
Because the two of you can be one in town and one in the country.
Okay. So let's talk about when Mommy was looking at this land now and you weren't too particular. Why? What was the issue?
My issue, I always dreamed of a piece of land with river and it water.
Right. And this land I don't have that.
Yeah, so it wasn't my real choice. That
right. This wasn't your first pick, none at all. Right. What about the location? Because I think you never liked the location too.
No, the location wasn't the problem. The dream that I had was the problem. I want water to be running through my property.
Why did you want water to be running through your property?
Because when you're going to farming, you're going to need a lot of water.
Okay.
And using the pipe water, it's chlorinated and it's not the best thing for plants.
Okay. But is it also because of how you were grown? You were grown near springs in St. James.
I was grown near springs, but it was a good distance from the river.
But there was some sort of river and water source, natural water source nearby.
Yeah, they pump water and there was standpipe by the roadside.
Alright.
And you would get free water then until you get it into your house. But I left country before that eventually happened. Right.
So, but you went down to your country to visit. When you guys were looking at different properties, you went down to your country to visit. Why didn't that one materialize? What do you think?
Never really go look at land per se to stay. I just went and visit the district to look for people who I left there.
Well, we were looking for country land, so you mean you never go look for country land that time?
We did not go and look for country land. Who did we ask for land?
You said you had called somebody from abroad, I remember. I was asking about property down there.
Oh, that was Eddie, but there was land, there was family land and people, them not sell them.
Understood. Okay. So what about living with me, Tell me about that part, yeah, Choco.
Yeah, miserable woman.
Right. Tell the truth.
Yeah, two miserable people can't live together.
Who's the next one? Me and who? You and I, yeah. And I think our personalities are very close. The Lord is working on us and our patience. But I think we're doing well now. How you think about now? How we doing?
Far better than I thought.
And that is it. Sometimes you think you can't live with this family member and that family member. And God surprised. Well, we ensure that we have a morning and evening worship. And what happens when we have problems? What we do?
Call meeting and talk about.
Say that again, Papa G. We have family meeting. Anytime we have problems, we ensure, because we have to live together in peace and harmony. So this was, I think, one of the main things you were worried about. Say, boy, how me get off this girl off of my hand now, right? This girl is an adult. And Mama G tell me, say, we have to go move back in with this. We are going to move in with she. She come move with me now. Hey, Papa G?
Exactly.
Yes, that is an issue. Right? So, what else with this place? I remember you were passing and you used to say, boy, backside dig out the place. I wonder if backside dig out the place where we there. Weren't you? Was that a worry of yours?
Yeah, I thought it was, but after I realized the land wasn't mine.
Right. That helped you. That helped you a bit. Okay. So, Mommy used to also give you the sermons to watch and stuff like that?
Which one?
Like when I was away and I used to send sermons. Did Mommy used to say,
yeah,
watch this?
Sometimes we watch them.
Watch them together. Okay. And then over time, You warmed up to the, did you warm up to the place before? I know the answer to this, but I just wanted to answer. Did you warm up to the place before you came here or when you were here? When you moved from here?
When I came and saw the land, I said, there's no running water, there's no pipe water. You know?
Desert! What can you call
It's gonna cause a lot of hassle when you're farming.
Okay, good. So, what has been your experience now with water?
Well, we build tanks, so the water problem is not hazardous as I thought it would.
Right.
Because we harvest a lot of water. We have 3 tanks.
Right.
One on the farm and 2 at the house.
Good. So basically what I'm hearing you saying is if you are the spouse that doesn't see the vision, you need to go to the Lord and let the Lord lead. And usually whatever your concerns are, the Lord will clear them up, which your main concern was you needed to farm and
you can't farm without water.
Right. So you wanted to just make sure of that. That was your main concern, which is true. Mommy said that the river as well. Plus, the living with your child as well. You understand? Your miserable daughter. All right, Papa G. Thank you. So, any other advice for somebody who doesn't want to come to the country? They are the ones who don't want to come because maybe they have the same concerns as you, or they're saying it's not end time yet.
You can't wait until something is happening before you move.
I love that. Repeat that, Papa G.
You need to prepare, because if you wait till the time comes for you to move from country when persecution starts, or you can't buy and sell, we are run go. You don't have a house or country, you don't have no food plant. Hungry will kill you.
It's true. It's as simple as that. So what we did as a family, we prayed, we fasted, and we moved. So for those who are struggling, for those who don't know what to tell their partners, listen to me. Pray and start looking. That's all you have to do.
Before we start to build, I start to farm the land. So even when building was going on, I could have things, yam,
true,
plantain, banana.
True.
I have a lot of things that I could eat. I have tomato plant on the land, sweet pepper. I have cabbage, I have all kind of things could help support while I was
transitioning.
Yeah, moving. Because what I used to do, I used to come down on weekends. Because I used to work in town, so in Portmore. So I come down on weekends, work, get somebody help me do some work, and go back. I used to come down every week. So when we move, we have food.
Yep.
But you have to move and you don't have no food. You have to go buy everything you can buy and sell. How you survive?
You have to start now.
You have to start from now, even before you put up a block. You have to start putting food, because food takes a time. It doesn't plant today and you reap tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, Papa G. See you guys at our next video. They will continue picking their tomatoes